Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'ma reach the bar, underground methods. Top-notch hoes, get the most, not the lesser. Straight terror, better than your errors. Pushing country, baby, got that better you can measure. Trendsetter, the one who get the weather. Swerving while I'm bumping Project Petter. They ask me how you be like this, how you live like this. Why you worry about it? Get up on my dick, get up out the way. What you think this is? We ain't worried about it. Why she skirt the whip? Ask me how you be like this, how you live like this. Why you worry about it? Get up on my dick, get up out the way. What you think this is? We ain't worried about you. Watch me skirt the whip, yeah, yes, swerve.
Balikan natin ang kasaysayan upang maunawaan natin ang hinaharap. At bahagi po ng ating ginagawa ngayon ang makasaysayang pagbubukas ng Museo San Jose de Malaking Tubig. Dito ay nasa loob ang mga kaganapang uukit at uungkat sa kung ano ang nangyaring kasaysayan sa Maria ng San Jose.
You know what to do now. Tonight the stars are out. I'm running when I hit the ground. That's what I'm all about. I'm all about it. I'm all about it. I'm all about it.
Gusto ko pasalamatan ang lahat na naging participants dito sa ating ginawa. Kayo ay naging malaking bahagi ng ating pong tinatawag na Asbagan Motor Show kung saan kayo'y nakapagpasaya ng tao. Kita-kita nyo kung gaano na kaprogreso ang bayan ng San Jose.
Tonight the stars are out, so let's paint the town. Na 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 na. I'm running when I hit the ground. That's what I'm all about. I'm all about it. I'm all about it. I'm all about it.
Asbagan Live!
Asbagan Live!
It's all twisting. Oh, oh. I wanna scream and make everyone listen. Oh, all the way to the world, all the way up the first.
Ito pong museo na to ay hindi ginawa para sa ibang tao, o hindi para sa mga taga-San Joseño. Kaya ito po ay dapat natin mahalin, yung makikita natin. Dahil ito po ay hindi lamang kasaysayan, kundi ito po yung ating mga pinagdaanan.
Naway magsilbing lugar ang museo nito para sa kaalaman, pagninilay at inspirasyon para sa lahat ng bibisita rito.
Maglalayong makilala ang bayan ng San Jose, hindi lamang bilang egg basket of the Philippines, hindi lamang bilang agricultural municipality, manupay maging isang parte ng tourism destination.